Have you ever considered the possibility of being in two places at once? A perplexing thought, isn't it? That's the beauty of quantum mechanics. It's an area of physics that challenges our everyday perceptions of reality, suggesting that we might just be living in a world of possibilities we never thought possible. I remember when I first stumbled upon the concept of quantum superposition. It was a sunny afternoon and I was lazily browsing through a book on quantum physics. I came across a paragraph that suggested that particles could exist in multiple states at once, and it was like I had discovered a secret door in the labyrinth of reality. The idea is that a quantum particle doesn't just exist in one state or another, but in all of its potential states at once. It's only when we look at it, when we measure it, that it chooses its state. Imagine you are at home and at work simultaneously. You exist in both places until someone checks on you, and only then does your true location become determined. It's a mind-bending concept, isn't it? But I assure you, it's as real as the screen you're looking at. This is the principle that quantum computers operate on, and it's why they are so much more powerful than classical computers. There was another time during a lecture on quantum entanglement where I felt like I was standing at the edge of a vast cosmic sea. Quantum entanglement suggests that two particles can become linked, such that the state of one instantly influences the other, no matter how far apart they are. It's like having twin siblings who, despite being miles apart, always know what the other is doing. This interconnectedness, this deep, invisible bond that exists between particles, it's what makes the universe a beautifully complex ballet of interactions. And it's not just about particles. Quantum mechanics suggests that we, as observers, play an important role in shaping our reality. To wrap up, the world of quantum mechanics is a realm where particles can exist in multiple states at once, where they can be entangled over vast distances, and where the act of observing can affect the observed. It's a reality that's much stranger than any science fiction, and yet, it's the reality we live in. So, the next time you feel confined by the limitations of your everyday life, remember the quantum world. Remember the endless possibilities that exist within you, and the deep connections that tie you to the rest of the universe. Because in the world of quantum mechanics, you're not just a drop in the ocean, you're the entire ocean in a drop.